Now let's talk about one of the things that truly sets Rolls Royce apart: customization. These aren't cars you just buy off the lot. They're cars you commission, cars you collaborate on to create something truly unique. Imagine walking into the Rolls Royce showroom and it's like stepping into a tailor's workshop, but instead of suits, they fit cars. Want your family crest embroidered on the headrests? No problem. Want the starlight headliner to mimic the constellations on the night you were born? They can do that too. The point is, with Rolls Royce, the only limit is your imagination. And your budget, of course. Now let's talk about what goes on behind the scenes at Rolls Royce, because these cars aren't just built, they're handcrafted with a level of care and attention to detail that borders on the obsessive. Forget robots and assembly lines. At Rolls Royce, it's all about human hands. Skilled artisans, masters of their craft, spend countless hours meticulously piecing together each car. The leather is hand-stitched, the wood veneer is hand-matched, and the paintwork is polished to a mirror finish. The attention to detail is astounding. It takes a single craftsperson an entire week to create the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament.